Welcome back. We have for this section summation. Summation is the summing up a sequence of numbers. These numbers could be one number or many numbers. Here in this section, we will learn how to use while loop for summing up and how to use for loop for summing up. And we will go back to lists here. We will have new information about lists, how to copy lists, and we will learn about zip information. And we are going to learn about the new data types here, tuples. At the end of this section, we will take a bonus and summary for this section. Thank you for your attention. See you on the other side.